Okay, let's take a look at this house here. We're going to clean the house, clean the roof, and then we're going to paint the roof. Make it look brand new, nice and shiny. They had some spots that were patched up here. If I walk over here, you can see what I'm saying. There's a couple on the driveway, and then a couple on the dormer. And those, they want the whole roof to be nice and shiny again. So, it's going to go up on the market for sale. Beautiful home. Very nice home. I'm going to clean the whole thing so it looks really nice.